get drunk. So what? We smoke weed.
Just having fun, alright.
The height thing is so weird. I don't get it.
Okay, so if you get low, you go high. And if you get high, you go low, and you stay on that until the cast is over.
That's what I did though, and I died.
Should be fine.
Yeah.
One more, Sonya.
Alright.
Okay, one more, I guess. Because it didn't go through. I clicked it off and hoping that it was going through. Okay, leave me alone. $17 and Peach was on the face. It only lasted the first auto attack. That was dumb.
Mega Beam. Fucking did a stupid ass super robot attack, I swear to god.
Ruin 3 hits way too hard now. Game, please.
You want to trade rolls?
Oh my god, they pulled inspiration for different like the old super robot animes, which is great. I appreciate the effort they put in this thing, because that's amazing. I almost ran into the middle. Oh god.
Right?
No, why did I throw the wrench? It should have been Ren mine. I'm gonna guess it's magic damage anyway.
Yep.
Yeah. Can't parry it.
And it gives you a magic vulnerability down, so I'd assume it's magic.
I haven't noticed
Gone
that.
now.
I destroyed.
Alright, get squared. Eat the orb that doesn't belong to you.
I got this one.
Someone needs to get mine. Someone needs to get mine.
Oh, I got Helix. I got Helix.
Fucking asshole. Someone take my shit.
I get a tank, got it.
God damn.
Mega Beam.
Oh, oh god, oh god, oh god. I'm in the middle. I'm in the middle.
That other Dragoon was like, oh god, you have something, I don't want it.
Oh god, 8.
Great, you have something to share with the class.
Please no.
So,
I don't need it. It's been a long night.
A great night.
That's also true. Please no. Just burn?
Yeah, just burn. It's already gone.
Alright, who we fucking up this time again?
Game 1.
We get other tanks first.
Oh, Brawler.
So, Brawler first.
Fucking, really?
What is the button that lets you actually put up markers again?
Shift M.
Alright. I don't think I need it here, but it's good to know.
Brienne, what are you doing?
Wrong boss, Ran. What's that? Was that 1 or 2?
Double Buster.
He's dead.
Oh god, I had the most aggro on that shit.
You think I could take them both?
You might have to.
That is, what's that?
2 hands, get behind.
He turned!
Oh my god, 360 no scope.
Except it only did 7k to me. So it looks like it's shareable.
I'll message to you.
I mean, if we see double, I guess we should just stack up then.
I'll message to you. Stay behind it. Oh, okay, that one doesn't stack. Can I get a bit of TP, please?
I'm dead.
Oh, fuck.
Ooh, I just used my swift cast on my pet.
Sorry.
No problem. Here, I'll,
No, don't take me that way. Sweet.
There you go. The TP going up now.
Thank you.
This was only the first. This was only the first 2, wasn't it?
Yeah, I guess I could go.
It was a laser to fuck this up, honestly. Let's be.
Oh.
understand how.
Yeah, we now know how double hand laser works.
It's a learning experience. Now, Swindler, fuck the Swindler.
Yeah, Swindler first. Swindler first on all the way. He's an annoying asshole.
He's a Swindler.
Yeah, that's pretty apt. I have high, so I go low.
Ow, what?
Fuck? Since I have it, with the balls, yo.
Okay, this thing is really tripping me off.
Or wait, no, magic levitation I think is only ever on the high thing, so I don't think that's actually the mark for getting it right. My bad.
Oh. Here.
Oh, I
Brienne,
missed
how'd
one
you
of those.
dodge those? I don't fucking know, dude.
I don't know.
I don't know how to save your life. Freaking healer getting hit with the... Oh my lord. Is it at...
Here's more mana.
I was about to say, is it at all possible to get mana?
Yeah, I saw. Sorry. I go low. I go. Okay, I don't care about that no more then. Unless it's
Alright,
state, that'd be a dick.
I should be good now. Praise.
Now
Unless
just keep
the
going.
healers still need
not
it.
if
Yeah,
you-
give it to the healers.
Body starts to sweat and shaky shivers in her. You go to sleep with your mother, she hates the guts. She knows it's your love, she says she holds you tight.
Charges. I think I'm good. No, I need to move here.
Oh, you fucker.
I can get the...
die.
someone already got me there. Alright, Voltron time.
1, 2.
7 minutes of Voltron. We got this.
For that fast.
Well, I mean,
I like the
look,
50 in like 2 minutes.
just this phase is not going to be 7 minutes.
That'd be dumb.
Brute
Alright,
Justice
homie.
isn't that brutal.
What is it? He has an advanced form called Brutal Justice.
So it seems it resets his whole aggro table. Like a dickhead.
Wow.
What just happened? I'll
He
get
got
that.
fucking Sunny Stick!
But stay away from his front. He's gonna front fleet. Stay away from that.
He better not move. Quad better not move.
Quad, as long as squad doesn't take an action, it'll be fine. Super jump away from... Who's he targeting?
I have no idea. Oh, he likes. Oh gosh, more mana. God.
Thank you, Alice. Sorry, Sonia. God, I'm sorry. Yeah, but she said she prefers Sonia.
Yeah, that's why we're bad people. That's why she doesn't talk to us.
I know you know you're just a little bitch.
Mega beam.
Make a beam go over the face! Okay, fun times.
So, this is just AoE dodge like you're an idiot, right?
Yep. AoE dodge.
It's called Jake. It's jump kick. It's actually just called jump kick.
JK.
No, it's jump kick. Don't lie to me.
Mines too, don't forget about those. And pay attention
Lasers
to
come
the
forward.
board.
Stack over here.
Oh! No, I think he just does a straight line. Alright, away from
Last time he
the
turned.
We are low, I'm high. I'm good.
Wait. Well, I think they might turn to the same person that tanked it the last time. Because the other tank died and Kyrie tanked it at the end. That's why the laser is going to Kyrie.
Ah.
I don't know, I don't think we should try doing any prediction stuff and just try and figure out a way that works.
So yeah.
The rocket one.
Let me parry this. Please let me parry this. Yes!
Even with that parry that looked like that hurt.
Oh, this is a remix of his like original of the original Alexander team. Real life Jack.
Out of his face, out of his
Just
face, out of
laser,
his
just
face.
laser, just laser.
This fight is glorious.
Yeah, I love this one. Until we get into it.
It's a fucking giant
I think
robot.
super jump is me.
Oh no, nope.
No? Okay,
You
so he doesn't
fucking
track
hell.
the person.
No, like I saw the line came to me
Yeah, but it's just kind of like that's the only warning, so it's kind of
on the
it's hard to tell.
Keep one mana here.
Rocket
No, I'm actually fine, but if the healers need it,
heal the work of me.
yeah, no, like my Aether Flow was right about to come up when he started singing.
Stack up, stack up, stack up, stack up. Mega beam, get out of his face.
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa! Don't stack up.
He lives.
Alright, it's gonna be another rotation.
This is J kick.
the two other, I guess.
Oh no! Oh! That was bad.
Good Sonya up.
I got it already.
You got your mana, Sonya?
Double rocket.
I just saw you go one.
Home gang.
Just fuck me! I can't stack.
I think you already did.
Did.
Apocalyptic Ray.
Out of the front, out of the front. Oh god. Oh, LB3! God damn it!
Super
Super
jump.
jump.
LBM!
You know what? That's probably easiest
Fuck.
if we just spread.
No! Stop! Cancel it!
Wait. Okay, on my screen it just followed around above you.
There you go.
Yeah, buddy.
I would have LB, but I'm not good.
Hey, we got the
always
gear.
be good at the end.
We got the gear, so that's always a weekly drop.
We looked away from the camera!
Cool Raiders don't look at explosions.
I rolled an 81 on the shaft.
I hate you.
Not the shaft, the spring.
Never mind.
Oh
You're
my
good in my
God.
books.
Oh my god, yes!
Oh my lord. Oh, it's so good.
Here.
Ah, freaking 23.
Whatever, I'll roll for the cranks.
Ah, damn it. Fucking
Oh god, I ran
got
98 for the spring.
it. Piece of shit got it.
Who got it? The tank?
It's really, this crank is mine. Whatever, I'll take it.
Oh well, we get our free accessory, and I can come back in and try and get my lens in my shaft later.
Fucking Sonya, you're rolling an 82.
Get rid